sorry. 20 here. Okay, so that works. But why it's not a circle? 51. One, two, three, four, 5 parameters. The X and Y, the circles, center circle, center of the circle, radius, starting and angle. Use stroke or fill method to actually draw this. Okay, let's use fill. It's an oval. Why? Okay, so this moves it. Met pi times 2. I don't know. 2 times met 5, 0. Begin path, arc, stroke. Well, if we change this to 100, it should move, right? Right. If we change this to 30, it will shrink. Border recipe is definitely more fun than this. Yeah, this is why I liked P5.js. Should I just pick another project? I'm so close. I don't know. Should it be that you need to set the width and height of the canvas? Let's see. Yep, that's it. That's the problem. So that's weird. Okay, don't ask me. Don't ask me. All right, good. Thank you. So yeah, that's basically what we need. Inline. But now we have a circle. All right. Let's have a function draw, which will be called every frame. Request animation frame draw. And draw, and this will like draw the circle always, something like that. And we also need a rectangular to clean the box. So you know what, let me go back to web prod Brad Traversy GitHub, that project I did back then. Let's see how I did the cleanup. Breakout game, script. So let's see. There is a draw function, right? Yeah, draw. Okay. Okay, clear rect. All right. Good. Let's do that. Tx.clearRect 0 0 canvas.width canvas.height. All right, and here we're going to draw everything. And the update, yeah, I guess draw. Okay, good. And we draw, and then we draw the circle. So now it shouldn't get pixelated anymore. See? Good. And we can move it. So yeah, this is just something fast I'm going to show you. Let x equal 50, let y equal 50, and we're going this x, y, and I'm going to do x plus plus, and now the ball will move to the right. Are you ready? Yay! This is animation in Canvas. All right, good. So what I want is when I click to draw a circle, and the circle should stay there. Yeah, so I don't need to clear the rect here. And maybe I don't need this draw function either. Bummer. Let's comment it out. So whenever I did this, I want to get the, let's see, console.log e. I want to get the position of the mouse in the canvas, mouse event. Screen X, screen Y now, to element canvas, X and Y. Let's see. Is it above? X and Y, still not good. Offset X, offset Y. Okay, good. So let const X will be e dot offset X. I think this is y is e dot offset Y, and I'm going to draw a circle at X and Y. Let's see. Ding 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 ding. Yay! Good. Drawing gap finished. Bye bye. Mouse dragged or mouse something. How do we do this? We need to canvas drag draw. Let's see. Mouse down. Prevent default, start propagation. Oh boy. Mouse move. Oh, okay. Mouse move. Mouse move. All right, this works. How can I now need to figure out? This will be a lazy drawing app. I need to figure out if the mouse is pressed. So canvas.add event listener, mouse down. I'm going to is pressed equals true, and mouse up. Mouse is pressed is false, and only if is pressed I want to draw. I'm getting closer. All right, and here I want is pressed to be false. Look at that. Awesome. Good, let me make it bigger. 800 by 800. Like that. And now we can draw. Okay, what they want now is to... We need to unite the circles. Or we? Do we? Let's draw a smiley face. Yay, look at that circle. Face, smile. Yeah, done. already better than Paint, right? Okay, let's do some things we're good at. So we're going to have a toolbox, and here we're going to have a button with a minus and button with a plus, and this will be on click will be increase. What I'm doing? Let's do the way. Increase. Increase. Good. Increase, and this will be decrease. Good. So script. To increase, decrease. Okay, increase btn, decrease btn. All right, and we need this. Add event listener. Click. And add event listener. Click. Okay, and when we increase, we want size plus equals 5. If size greater than, I don't know, 50, size equals 50. Just a reset. And decrease, we want size minus equals 5. If size less than 5, size 5. Dennis, my buddy, thank you very much for 1,000 bits. That's crazy. Thank you very much, buddy. All right, and now if we click this, look at I messed up the buttons. Okay, I need to change. This will be decrease. This will be increase. Dennis is here. All right, the toolbox, I want this to be flex direction column, and the toolbox, let's, you know what, let's make this E5. Can we have, no, I guess we can't have a border. Yeah. Okay, and the toolbox, I want it to be width 800 pixels, background color purple, because people like purple. Let's make it Rebecca purple. All right, I want some padding. Okay, and the toolbox button, I want padding 0.5 rem, background color, I guess this works, font size 2 rem, make it big. So ugly. Background color white, border, border none, width 50 pixels. Something's wrong. So ugly. Sorry. Yeah, that was a small one. 25. This is our toolbox. But it works, look at that. Increased. Let's tell the size. By default is 30. 30, okay. And I want this size element, and I want a function update size on screen. Okay, update size on screen. I just want to show how much it's changed. You're crazy. Okay. I want the size element, that inner text, to be size. Like that. And now, yeah, look at that, it's changed. You just, you know what? Let's do something crazy. Everything inside the toolbox should be this. All should be squared. Height, 50 pixels. Get it. Border none doesn't seem to work. Something's wrong with those buttons. What's that? Oh, the span. Okay, I'll make it display inline block. Display inline flex. At the center. Okay. So, okay. All right. This is our drawing app. Drawing circles app. If you go really slow, you get the path. Oh, and we need to change the color. 3 hours left I have to finish the 3 projects remaining, so not 1 hour left. Mihai said, I went to work, finished work, and now I'm home. And he is still online. So, those of you watching live, keep in mind that I started the live stream 1 hour and a half before I started the 10-hour challenge. So yeah, we need a color picker. So here, let's add an input. My keyboard seems to lag. Can you fix the border, please? Why? What's wrong with the border? Look, I fix it, look. Okay, is it fixed? So you're just hitting 7 hours mark on challenges. Yes, slightly misaligned. I mean, I need to add a border to this. No? If I don't add a border, then you don't know where you need to draw, you know? That's why I need a border. But I agree, what's wrong with the border? Let's make this 4. Okay, good. Are you happy now? Hey mate, how's it going? Going good. 80 people watching. Whoa. Say hi. Hack fix. Alright, fixed it. Good. Now, we need to add color and we need to join the circles. Hey, I think I know. I think I think color. ID color. Look at that, we have something fancy. We can pick the color now. Although it's way off. Don't ask me why. Yeah, don't ask me why. Someone is laughing too much. I'll let color to be black. Like that. And I want this to be color. Here, column that add event listener on change. I want the color to be I guess I can do e the target dot value. All right, I need to use this color. So how I do that? Fill ctx dot fill color canvas color fill style. Okay. Fill style. The color. Let's see. Does it work? Is it black? Is it? Yay! Funny. So what all did you make? Did you do it all on your JavaScript? Yes. All right, now let's figure out when I go from this to this. Do you see that thing? We need to connect the dots. I missed the color picker part. Dennis, you broke my overlay. Thank you very, very much for your $50 donation. You're crazy. Thank you. Thank you very much, buddy. You broke my alert. Not sure why. But yeah, thank you, buddy. I highly appreciate it. Yeah, 8 hours of coding. Now, this doesn't look right. Let me fix the toolbox by display flex. Oops. Let's have some margin between them. Margin 0.25 rem. I mean, this doesn't look the best, but it's a toolbox. So people can't change this. You can just click to change this, but it works. Okay. Oh, and we need a clear also. Remind me of that. But the cool part is, look at that. We can make it purple now. Okay. We need to unite the lines to make it smooth, and we need to clear with a button. Life is too short for a clear button. Refresh the page. You're full of trolls. A lot of trolls in the chat. Okay. Now, I know. You can choose the white color, clean yourself. See, I told you, full of trolls. I know how to do the line. I know, and you don't. Ha! What happened? Oh, look at that. I got some more money, but it's not related to the stream. Okay, so I need to draw a line between x and x1, y1, x2 and y2. I guess begin path. I don't know. And I need to do a line. Let's see. Arc. Line. Canvas line. Line 2. Okay, line 2. Oh, so begin path, move to line 2 stroke. Okay, good. I'm so excited. I'm very close. So ctx dot move to x1 y1, right? And ctx dot line to x2 y2, and now we can store these x and y's as x 0 undefined. Let y undefined, and whenever we click here, when it's mouse down, I want x to be e dot offset x, y to be e dot offset y, and here I want x to be undefined, y to be undefined. So basically when we're clicking, we're creating a path for the line, but only when we're pressing here, we're going to create x2 and y2, and instead of draw a circle, we're going to draw a line. And finger cross, hopefully this will work. If not, I tried. I guess they can draw a line in a circle too. Okay, x, y, x2, y2. Like that. Okay. Works. It works. Don't ask me how. Just trust me. It doesn't work. Why? Begin path. Move to X. Let's draw a line randomly. 100, 100, 200, 200. Can we see something? No. Bad. You're trolls. My chat is full of trolls. Now, why doesn't it work? X1, Y2, line to move to. After draw line, do X. Oh, true. X2. Thank you. So X needs to become X2, and Y needs to become Y2. But don't help me. Still, the draw line doesn't help. It doesn't work yet. Stroke instead of fill. Okay, no one helped me. That's wrong. So if you say someone helped, it's wrong. Don't say that. It's, you know, I did it on my own. I don't have a chat in the right and on the other monitor, so, you know, stroke width. I did it all on my own. What's the stroke width though? Stroke style. I want to make the stroke better, thicker. You can confirm there's no chat. Stroke weight, stroke something. How can I vary my line thickness? Line width. Okay, line width. Let's see. So we have the color. CTS that line width will be size. Whoa, this is dope. Looks like a train tracks. Yeah, exactly. This is exactly how I want it. This is exactly how I thought in my mind that it will be. Not circles. This is a special brush 2020. It'll be trending in 2021. You'll see a lot of pictures, and I'm just setting the, you know, the trend. So yeah, you'd have no reason to think that I'm not, you know, no. All right. Yay. 1 second. No one came. My grandmother came, asked me if I want to eat something because I haven't eaten for 10 hours. All right. So we don't want this line. Let's see. This looks nice. We can get the brush tool thingy out. And yeah, look at that. Yeah. Surprised she's not dragging you away from the computer by your ear. That's why I closed the webcam. I was fearing that. I thought that she'll punch me. Okay, friends. This is it. It's not yet smooth, but it's good. Now change the mouse to heat and all good. Purple heart. Oh, we need to clear. So clear. We need a button. Clear. And we need something to show that that's, you know, that's a special icon. Toolbox, last of type. I want, wait, last child, margin, left auto. All right, good. So that thing there, clear, that will clear. Funny. It's just me probably. Where is the buttons things here? Okay, so we don't need the draw function, which is good. We just need to add that. Add event listener, click. And basically we want to clear. So ctx.clear rect 00 canvas.width canvas.height. All right, let's see. We draw and then we clear. Yay. Okay. Yeah. So that button is the magic. All right, good. Let's draw a purple heart. And we have an arrow going through the heart. Florian will be drawing heads. All right, good. Project 8 complete. We have 2 hours and 45 minutes left. Yeah, probably still managed to get to the meeting. Have nothing yet. All right, done. You can draw it. We can make big things. Although, oh, see, kind of seems that it needs to be bigger. The line. Okay, I can do. I have an idea. Line height size times 2. Whoa. Now this is smoother than butter. Crazy. Awesome. Good. It works. Next. Thank you. Next. Let's update people. 8 Fs down, 2 remaining, 2 hours and 40 minutes. So this was not that bad. Okay. Good. Goody goody. Cheers everyone. I'm very close to finish this. I think I need to like waste 2 hours. I don't know. I became your friend, man. Thank you. Hats off to you. Sign up on Twitch just to say this. Thank you very much. I highly appreciate it. It melts my heart, my purple heart. What's today's drink of choice? Purple water. I don't know. Okay. Hey Ben, thank you. What is this about? Tell him. Okay. What are the last two apps? One is password generator and the weather app. Now for the password generator, I kind of did this before, but I want, sorry. We need to find like a, I don't know, copy it. Yeah, we could copy it. I want to do it from scratch though, because it's not that bad, and I might find a better way to do it this time. Maybe. I'm still thinking how I did it last time, because how you need to do it, it's, you see here, you have checked the include lowercase, uppercase, numbers, and symbols. And what happens if you don't have any? If you have symbols, look at that, you only get symbols. If you have letters, you get symbols and letters. If you have numbers, it's symbols and letters and numbers and all that. When you submit the button, you need to send a message to Liam and he will give you a random password. Yeah. Now think about how cool will be an app which will come to this page, fill in the data, and give the password and go back, you know? Hey Liam, don't say my password. All right, let's do this. We can. The weather app will be the last one, and we're done. How do you feel about the project so far? Password generator. I mean, there wasn't like the hardest thing, but yeah, I mean, hopefully you enjoyed them. Password generator. Okay. So I want a container here. Password container. Oh, let's see. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking. I kind of did the project, but I kind of did all previous projects, some of the previous projects too sometimes. So I guess it should be fine. Okay, so the first thing we need is like a field where we're going to put the password. So password like that. This field will have a button which will copy to clipboard. I think last time when I did it, I used... So basically, when you want to copy to clipboard, you need to create a text area, I think a text area. You need to put the contents inside the text area. You need to copy from the text area and then remove the text area. And then put it wherever you want. I mean, copy to clipboard. Copy, well, to clipboard. Never mind. Okay. Under this, let's make this the PV header. And under this, I'm going to have like PV body. Oops. Like that. And form control times 4 greater than label plus input. Although let's do it just once because I'll need to change something and then I'll copy paste. This needs to be type check box. And this will be, the first one will be upper, like that. Okay. Upper, lower, oops, this one. Lower, number, and symbol. Thank you everyone for following. Okay, now this say contain uppercase letters, contain lowercase letters, contain numbers, and contain symbols. Contain sounds weird. Okay, good. And here, let's have a button. Copy to clipboard. Where's the contain emojis option? Ooh, fancy. Okay, yeah, I'll just change a bit the layout. I have some idea to other layout, but yeah. Okie dokie. Oh, we also need, well, we need a form control password length. And this will be a type number, minimum to be 4 and maximum to be 4D. And this will be not upper, but length. Len, let's keep it like that. All right. Look at that, pretty fancy. Good. Now let's make it pretty before we make it useful. So background color, Rebecca purple. This is already pretty. You can't deny. Color white. Okay. We want the PV container to be width 400 pixels and background color Rebecca purple, but another darker kind of itch purple. Like that, maybe. Yeah. Best UI ever. I'm glad you like it. I still need to feel like this needs to be darker. Ooh, dark. Okay. Display flex, align to center, justify to center, just to make it in the center, mean height 100 heights, and boom. Now let's see. We're going to have a header, PV header. Do we have PV butter? Butter. PV body, yeah. Okay. PV header, PV body. Okay, and this will be the same color, background color like this, and it will be padding 1 rem. And this just padding 1 rem. Oops. No. I had something else in mind. Yeah, just padding 1 rem to this 2, and then the PV will be width 100%, height 50 pixels, okay, and this will be background color Rebecca purple. All right, and the copy to clipboard feels a bit off. Let's see what happens when you have text here, because here we're going to have the text. This is my very complicated password. Don't copy it, please. All right, perfect. So I want this to be display flex and everything in the not in the center that way, like that. Okay, and I want this to be position relative, because the PV button inside will be position absolute. Top bottom 0, left 50%, transform translate y minus 50%, x minus 50%. So down there in the center. Okay, I want it to have a font size 2 rem. Okay, padding 1 rem. Okay, and then I want the weight to be 400. All right, and the copy to clipboard. Bottom minus 50% is too much. No, bottom 0 and translate. Let's translate it 50% down. So it will be exactly on that row there. And I want it to be background color, another variation of Rebecca purple. I don't know, something like this. Padding 0 to 25 rem, 0.5 rem. Color white, border none. Ouch, so ugly. Need to stand out, so darker purple or a yellow. Purple yellow combination. That yellow, how do I get it? FFD 524. FFD 524. It hurts a bit, but a yellow purple. No. Hurts, right? I don't like it either. Yeah. Let's do this. And make this a bit darker. Like that. Where's the designer when you need it? You can't find a designer these days. Ah. Well. One font family inherit. Maybe right 0. I don't like it. White background, purple text. Okay, if you say so. It's too big, so let's make it smaller. It doesn't look like a button. Oh boy. You know what? I can do 100%. No. I can do top minus 100%. I just go with an icon of the clipboard. I wanted this to be different than the one I originally had. But apparently I can't do it. Oh, maybe just say copy. And it will show only when you hover over. Gotcha. And this will be a bit darker too. Alright, so only when you hover over you can get a copy. Good. So this will be opacity 0 and PV hover button opacity 1, and we want transition opacity 0.2 seconds ease. All right, look at this. Copy. Haha, fancy. Okay, good. Or I guess it can. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. I'll show you something. I'll show you something. Hold on. Don't go. Don't go. A little bit of magic there. Okay, yeah, that's done. You can like do this, or you can copy that. Good. Did you copy? Do you copy? All right, now the form control. I want this to be display flex, flex direction space between. Sorry, justify content space between. All right. Margin certified RAM. Okay. Why do we have so much space there? Feels a bit off. It's okay. And we need to generate password down here. A button, a big button. A big button. This will be yellow. So I want this to be display block. I wanted this to be that background color. Maybe the orange. ECB602. I want the color to be the backup purple. Font weight bold. Padding 1 RAM. Font size 2 RAM. I always like to mentally create these buttons. Border none. Let's see how it looks. Does it look good? No. Maybe not bold, and maybe not that big. Better. Now maybe bold. Contain purple checkbox is missing. Margin top 1 rem. One rem is distinct a 1 pixel. 1 rem, I think it's 16 pixels, depending on the browser. I can't explain. I don't know. I just like these rems. It looks nicer. All right, we have 2 hours 20 minutes left. I still don't like the spacing here, so on the body I want 0 on top, 1 rem left and right, 1 rem down. All right, now it's a bit more compact. Let's have a box shadow. 0, 4 pixels. RGBA 0, 0, 0, 0.2. Oh, and 10 pixels. It doesn't, you don't see much of it, so let's make it 5. Yeah, so 9 hours. Yeah, I started streaming 9 hours ago. I started the challenge 7 hours 20 minutes ago. 40 minutes ago. Good. Now we all need. We just need to make this work. And next one. We have one more. Why did I say 2? 1. Value 2. 20. But don't get too excited because this is not done. We still might not complete. Color 222. DDD. No. EE. I didn't get yet an approval of the my postponing stuff. Okay, this looks interesting. He's going to throw a good slip. If you have 1 hour left and you're going to throw in a bonus project. We'll see. I'm tired and I just watched him. I guess it's harder to watch. I did it, so time passed faster. Although I'm going to eat something very good. Probably, hopefully. Not sure what my grandma did. I had a meeting at 7:30. But I asked for postpone. I'm not sure if it will work. Alright, now. Purple potato for dinner. Ooh. Not purple, but potato, yeah. Okay, let's see. We need all of these things. Password, copy, length, upper, lower, number, symbol, generate. All of these things we need here. Okay, document that get element by ID, this. Okay, now is the interesting part. We need to generate a password, which is a very sophisticated algorithm, I think. Hey Gwen, how are you? I don't have the command. I just have the projects and all the project and other stuff. Okay, let's last time I think I worked with ASCII codes, but I'll be a bit lazier this time and do upper letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Ha! Did I do good? Someone correct me. Lower letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I don't know the entire song, but... Is it 28? Alert. Lowercase letters that length. 26. Look at that. I know my song. Happy. Numbers. You know what? Let me do my thing there. Element. Everything is an element there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And count symbols. Alright, that should work. Okay. Legix looks you and he's watching. Reg. Yeah, probably. Get. Now we have all of these. What we're going to have to do is to write 4 functions to get random things from these. Random things. And then to figure out what's the length and if we have all of the other things. You know? I mean, it's very obvious, right? It's not just in my mind. When you have an interesting badge, what is that? Turbo. Why is that turbo there? What 10 projects are you doing? So far we did countdown timer, drawing app, GitHub profiles, movie app, notes app, quiz app, receipts app, to-do app. And now I'm doing password generator, and the last one is a weather app. Okay, function. Generate I'm thinking. How do you feel? I'm tired, but having only 2 projects left and 2 hours and 15 minutes left, it's good. All right. Get lowercase. Get uppercase. Get number. Get symbol. Okay. So this will be return uppercase letters of mad@floor, mad@random times uppercase letters dot length. This should give us a random uppercase. Then we have lowercase, lower, like that. We have number and symbol. Numbers and symbols, like that. Let's test it. Alert, get number. Undefined. It works. Am I wrong? Can't we have A, B, C, D of 0? We can. Mad@floor, mad@random times the... Oh! Oops. I forgot to do this. So uppercase letter, numbers, numbers length, symbols, symbols length. All right, good. 5. Yay! You forgot length. Thank you. I figured it out. Good. So now we get random things whenever we need. Generate a password. This will be our brainiac function, which will do something. Generate element that add event listener. On click, we want to generate password. So generate password. At the end, it will take the password element, inner text, it will enter the password. So let's see. How are we going to create our password? I know that last time I had some kind of weird algorithm that I can't reproduce now. But basically, length, or well, len will be len element dot value. I didn't add all the symbols, I just add a couple. Okay, so for let I 0, I less than len, I plus plus. Password, we're going to create here let password will be an empty, and password plus equals to get something. We need to see which one. Oh, I think I remember last time I kind of checked how many are checked, and based on that I get a length somehow. Store them in an array and shuffle them. Yeah, so I just need to figure out now if we have a number, get a number. If we have a symbol, get a symbol. Do a meta random and check, yeah, or that. But we first need to see if we do have uppercase letters, lowercase, and all that. X, this will be what we're going to add to the password. And this X will be generate X. So like we're going to don't ask. I can't explain. Let's start with something. So upper element that value that checked. If we checked, we can get an upper. Oh, get upper. Yeah, I know. So look at that. I have an idea now. X says. Don't ask me. Don't ask me, please. If that, I want to access that push, get it uppercase. If okay, I know what I have in mind. If lower, then get lowercase. If number element that checked, get number. And if symbol, get symbol. And here at the end we have X's, so I'm going to return access of med.floor med.random times access.length. So randomly one of them. Now this will kind of break something because we might not have some things. If length is constrained, you can strip the access array maybe. Sorry, I don't, I can't think of what you say in the chat. I kind of have my own thinking now, and because I'm tired, I can't think otherwise. I'm sorry, I tried. Let's see, so I want, yeah, basically I can do this now. Look at that. We have a password with lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Now the issue is that if we have 3, we only have numbers or symbols. Whoa! Thank you very much for the raid. It's crazy. So many people and so active people. Thank you very much for the follow and for the raid. I was already here too. Live Coders Love, thank you very much. Highly appreciate it. For those of you who are joining, we're doing 10 projects in 10 hours. This is the 9th project and we have 2 hours left. So we're kind of close to finish the challenge. And now we're working on a password generator. All of these projects are done with vanilla JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. I slightly use a bit of a library market to write Markdown. But other than that, everything vanilla. Let's get groovy. Yeah, let's get. Thank you very much for the raid. Okay, so this will be good for like 20 because, well, the length is a bit off. 140 viewers. Whoa, that's crazy. After, oh well, so many things today. I think this is the 4th raid or the 5th raid. Yeah, thank you for the hearts. Okay, we need to figure out the fact that this goes outside of the parent, and that's not good. How many can we fit here? 1, 3, 5, 10, 15. Maybe just decrease the font size. Where is the password? 1.5. Okay, that's a start. And I was thinking we can just allow how many are here? 3, 5, 8, 10, 5, 20. Let's allow up to 20. That's a very fancy way to do it. All right. Hey, what's happening? I want that 40. Okay, good. So now we can do 20. And if we generate password with these, look at that, it will be undefined, undefined. So that's not good. But with uppercase, with lowercase, it will mixed numbers, it will be mixed symbols, it will be mixed. Maybe add scroll overflow. The length won't matter, no? Yeah, you're not wrong. Overflow auto. And then we can allow it to go up to 40. Okay, whoa. Wait, not to the container, but to the password here. My bad. Never limit length. Never limit length. Interesting. Hey, how's it going? Going good. 1 project and a half, and we're done. But yeah, the algorithm is not yet perfect because we have all these undefineds here, which is not good. I guess if xs.length is 0, we want to return an empty string. Now we won't get anything, which is good. And this will get that. Hey, where's our copy to clipboard? Huh. We broke it. Password hover button. Opacity. Oh, I know. We're changing this entirely. So no. We need this here. And then or wait. The button was inside and we removed it when yeah, overflow. Oh. Yeah, a couple of things wrong. You are sharing all the projects like uploading to GitHub. Yes. Return purple if xs length is 0. All right, a couple of things. So apparently overflow auto doesn't work. Like we messed up our copy button there. Although we can fix it by just saying, let's see, from one 0% to the top, and I want it to be okay to 20% to 0. All right, like that. So now it will be inside, and we can copy. See? Okay, good. That's good. And when we generate, yeah, that's what we need to fix now. So when we generate, we don't want to remove this button. So okay, I know this will be weird. Don't tell anyone. But I'll do this. I'll add the ID password here. So this is where we're going to put a password, but the class will be on this one. So we're going to style, you know. Okay, so now it works, and whenever we generate, yeah, we can copy. Well, not yet, but we will soon. I joined late. Please, would you be sharing the source code? Yes. This will go, for those of you watching live now, this will go on YouTube. If, I mean, probably if I don't fail, but I have 2 hours to finish one more project, so fingers crossed. This will go on YouTube. And I also upload the code on GitHub, so you can find there all the projects. Project number, this is project number 9. We have one more left. I just, yeah. Okay, let's create a copy to clipboard. Although for that, I'm going to use a copy to clipboard function, which I already have. I don't know from the top of my head. Where is it? So this is when I all did the project, like probably half a year ago. See how it looks now. And I want to get the copy to clipboard. That's all I want. Clipboard, click. So yeah, let me get this and I'll explain how it works. Script, copy. Okay, copy element, copy element. So basically, we create a text area, as I said at the beginning. So we create a text area, then we put the, let's see, the password result in our text. Yeah, so we need to get a password. If we don't have a password, we return, and otherwise, we put the value, the password inside the value of the text area. We append it to the body. We select it. We use the exec command copy, and then we remove the text area. And we just show password copy to clipboard. So this is the trick of copying to clipboard. Basically, you need to have it inside the text area. We could also like convert this to a text area and just set the value, and when we copy, get the value, I mean do the exec command. That could also work, but oh well. All right, so the password will be the PV element in our text, the text area, okay, and now this should work. Copy, and voila. All right, I cheated a bit at this, but yeah. I forgot about this part. So select and then exec command copy. Hey Grexton, how are you? All right, which makes it okay-ish. There is still that issue where, let's see, how many less minimum value? 4. Now let's make it minimum 8. And 15 by default. So that way, even if we do something like this, we don't end up not having numbers. Look at that. How crazy that is. We don't have any numbers, even though we said we want numbers. So that's one thing. How we can make sure that we have at least one. We could either add them here. Yeah, I think I have the idea. It's not very clear, but we could check this. And instead of, so we check if we have the checked box on these, and if we do, we push to the passwords. Password plus equals get uppercase, password plus equals get lowercase, a number, and all that. And here, instead of going up to, instead of starting at 0, we can start at password.length -1. So if we have checked numbers and symbols, it will go here, upper is not checked, lower is not checked, numbers it is, so we get a number, symbols it is, and we get a symbol, and then this will start from 2. This way, we will always have I said always. This is not always. What's happening? Why we don't have a number? Do we have a number? I can't see it. Oh, we only checked symbols. My bad. All right, good. Number, symbol, number, symbol, number, symbol, number. All right, awesome. So even if we have 2 now here, like a minimum value of 2, okay, and we set 2 here, and we check 2, we should have 1 number and 1 symbol, 100%. And 1 more. Oops. Why? We had 1 more character. All right, 1 number, symbol, number, symbol, number. Good. Don't you hate when you don't have cursor pointer on button? Yeah, I do. Cursor pointer, let's have it on this generate too. Awesome, good. So now 25 characters, all of them generate. I don't like this. I don't like overflow thingy. So maybe we can do something else. Maybe we can do minimum width of 400 pixels. Yeah, look at that. So now it will just stretch. Okay, better. And we can copy. And look at that. This is my secret password. Done. 1 more to go. Thank you. One more to go and 2 hours left. And maybe I can even make it to the call I have it in 45 minutes. Who knows? Good, the last one. Weather app. Weather app. I haven't built the weather app ever. Or I think I did once, but like a long time ago. All right, let's copy this and notify people that we are 9 apps down, 1 remaining, and we have 1 hour and 50 minutes left. PS, streaming on Twitch. All right, thank you all for following. Yeah, at the end I need to make a screenshot of all this. And oh boy. Good. Let's see what this should look like. Okay. Someone said that the weather app is a bit busted. So we need to see public APIs and find the weather app which works. Let's see. Weather. OD weather. Weather and weather webcams. Meta weather. Open weather map. I kind of remember using this, but we need an API key. I don't like that. Yeah, I remember using this. How is it going? This is really cool. Where can I find all the projects? I'll upload them on GitHub. Let's try to use... Any of you used any weather APIs? It's hot. I think they are from Florian's list, right? Yes. Most of the projects are from there, yeah. But they are only the projects idea, and although I haven't like followed the user stories from there. I used Open Weather before. Yeah, I might need to use that too. 1 second, I need to open the window. It's too hot here. I think my brain is it's melted. All right. Brain freeze. Not freeze. Brain fire. Okay. This API access to okay. Oh, station name. Oh, open weather map. Let's, or meta weather. Provides an API that delivers JSONs over HTTP for access to our data. Dropping. Okay. Weather states, icons, methods, location. Oh, so it works. Look at that. Location. Ah, this is what I want. But how do you convert? Okay, good. It works. And we also get the icons. Nice. We can make something pretty. Drop me a minute if you're going to make more than maybe a request a minute. A request a minute? Thank you very much for the bits. Highly appreciate it. More than maybe a request a minute. What? I need a request a second. Don't I? Where is the... Oh, maybe this is the URL. Search query. Let's see. Location query London. Woo ID. Alright. And I get ID, and now what? Location. Trying to figure out how this works. Hey, do you have a stream schedule? I tried. Well, look at that. Not sure what this is. Stream schedule. When I stream, I usually stream at 6 p.m. UTC+3, Monday to Friday. Not every day. I try through 2-3 times a week. But sometimes, like today, I do 10 hours. I mean, sometimes. This is an exception. 10 hours so far. And we are 8 hours into the challenge. Now, I'm not sure what this is. Consolidated weather. Okay, so for the dates. Alright, okay. So we need an API to get the ID of the location. And then we're going to use that API to get the weather and the wind and all the mambo jumbo. Alright. The final one, guys and girls. Let's see what this goes, how this goes, whatever. Weather app. We have a nice design somewhere here by Ildi. So yeah, we can do something like this. Ooh, imagine how cool it'd be to get an image of the location. But nah, that'll be too much. Let me close this. Yeah, I'd like something like this. We get the location, but we need to search. So in the search field, search field where to enter the location, and when we hit enter, we want to show like the location, the degrees, what kind of temperature it is, and then maybe for the next days. Okay. Let's do it. Weather app. Hey Ishan, how are you? We need a form with input. Like that. Search. Placeholder. Oops. Placeholder will be search by location. My neck hurts now. Good thing my back doesn't hurt anymore. Open live server. Get. We have that. Let's work on the API to see how it works. So either query or let long need to be present. Do you ever use React to build projects? I just joined, but I look forward to seeing you. Yes, I use React. Last week we did like 3 streams with React projects. I need to redo them and upload them on YouTube. But yeah, we do React. Today is vanilla, but I also do React. All right, so I need to get the weather OID and Then I need to call this API to get the location. And then we get the, like, all the things we need. A bit tricky, or, well, get weather by location. I don't want to use the user's location with the browser. I want the user to type in whatever location he wants. Maybe some users don't accept, you know, the sharing of the location. So yeah. Okay, get weather by location, location, and let's try it. I'll get the location, and we're going to do London. All right. Okay, so response will be await, fetch, and I need the, where is it? Oops. API URL. See, yeah, people often don't accept. That's why I don't use it. Thanks for the follow, Lizard. Someone is spamming the hearts. We're close to the end, so yeah. Okay, so first we want to use the API. Oops, wrong click there. Sorry. API URL, and we want to pass in API, okay, plus location slash search, and query will be plus location, like that. Now response data will be await response.json, and let's if we console.log response data, I think we'll get again a wait thingy, a promise. Let's see. All right, so apparently we cannot use this on localhost. Might want to remove trailing. Oh yeah, and that. How do we pass this? Do you have a daily job, or do you do something else? I don't have a daily job. This is my job. I'm a content creator on YouTube stream, and I work on an ebook now. How do we pass course on localhost? Course localhost fetch issue. We didn't have this issue before, so I mean, prepend the Heroku thingy. What Heroku thingy? Like this? Prepend to this? Is that a thing to work? Like that? HTTP course anywhere, Heroku slash how does it work? This API enables cross-region request to anywhere. Usage. Show. Yeah, I want to see how it... Okay. Thank you very much for the bits, buddy. Highly appreciate it. Create a request to URL and include course header in response. I don't know. Shows help. Okay. And oh, we can go to this plus location plus query plus. Oh boy. I guess we don't need this anymore. Missing required request header. Must specify one of. Oh, how do we specify that? To prevent this, a problem request origin. Okay. I think fetch has an options thingy. You should be fine just by prepending course. Yeah, but it says that we need request something. I did prepend it. Come on, we're so close. Yeah, it doesn't fail to fetch. The URL is long in API URL. Is it? Course, anywhere, Heroku, HTTPS, weather, meta-header, API com. I don't see. Where is wrong, buddy? I mean, let me copy this. Let's see. You have course anywhere, Heroku app. Oh, Heroku. Oh, okay. Heroku app.com. Okay, sorry. Too many requests. No good. How do I specify request header? Fetch request header. Okay, response wait fetch URL post mag. Okay, so something like that. Oh look, we can do course. Fetch doesn't have error handling. Too bad. Do I need to write this or something? Let's see what it says. Origin. Okay. Why had this had to be so hard? I can't think anymore. Okay. So maybe if we try again. I don't know. Why is too many requests? Do you want my URL? Is this the last project? Yes, it is. What URL do you have? I think I'm going to switch to that other API, open weather map. Check this source. Oh no. Yeah, I have an account, I guess. I think. Let me do it to you. Which API are you using? Let's see. Body. Dark Sea. Let's see. Okay, Dark Sea. Oh, and you have the. So you do the same thing. URL, Dark Sea, forecast, and that location, exclude minutely, hourly, daily. And then mode course. Oh, maybe I need this. Just trying. Nope. Okay, so if I use this, although now I need to enter the location. Uh, all right, API URL with the location. I'm messing things up now. Location. API has not been declared. API, oops. Too many requests. Why? What was it? Mode course? Yeah, something's wrong. Missing header, request header must specify one of origin. Sure, origin. Do you specify? I think it's because everybody click on the link here in the chat. Lol, too many requests for free. But I didn't share my link. You know? I didn't share my link. Can you visit my project, check if the request goes through? Yes. Yeah, so can you change the location? Oh, change country state. London. Yeah, see? So it works. Something's wrong. Maybe this doesn't work anymore on my machine. It's not working. It's working for me. I don't know. What do we do? Weather app. Doesn't work. Try incognito. I don't know if I can. Wait. Can do live server. Too many requests. I'm tired, guys. Too many requests. Same issue. But it's like only on from this project. Alright, let me try with another API. But I don't know. I don't know what the password I have. Oh, look at that. Okay. API keys, okay. Weather API. Oh, yeah, let's generate another key. Project 10 generate. Okay, I'll try to use this. I have const key. Don't use my key, or I delete your Fortnite account. Yeah, you said in the morning that the weather API. Why did you say that? Why? City name API. Okay, good. So I can use this. Okay, and I can do this. And here we can say location. All right, and location, and at a key I could get AP key. All right, like that. Oh, let's see. Fingers crossed. Come on, it's the last project. Don't bail on me. API role is not defined. Good. So that's one thing. 404. Okay. HTTPS. Invalid API key, please. Alright, so that's a good thing. We don't have a good API key. Why? All API key are meh. Let's see, API key. API keys, okay. Ha! Finally! Yay! It works. Don't see my key there. I don't care. You can use the key. Just, I guess. I'll delete it probably after this. Same. Why didn't this work though? Invalid. Alright. Oh well, yeah. Good. So we finally got it. We get the coordinates, the main, feel likes. Oh, we get a temperature in that thing. Can we say what thing we want to get the temperature on? Let me show you here. State, code, weather. My back hurts. Okay, call current weather, city. But I guess it's Fahrenheit. We need to convert it. Oh well. Temperature. Wind, weather. Clear sky. Country, sunrise, sunset, time zone. Okay. Clouds, all 9. That was my alarm for the meeting I have in 15 minutes. I have 1 hour left for this project. Whenever I have. Give me a second. Let me see if contacted me. Okay. Good. So we get the weather and the name. We also get clear. I don't have, it would be nice to have like some icons and stuff. What if we say Cluj? We get the country. Yeah, we need to do a Fahrenheit to Celsius function. and we get Fahrenheit and return what's the math, Fahrenheit to Celsius formula. 32 times F minus 32. Huh? Wait. Okay, so Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5 divided by 9. And let's see, F2C of response data of main.temp. Do we get it correct? 277. No, that's not correct. JavaScript Kelvin. Oh, it's not Fahrenheit. So Kelvin to form is just 275.15. All right, good. So Kelvin to that, and we get a Kelvin. Thank you very much for the bits, Ben. Thank you very much. All right, so this is how we do it. And we need this. 22 degrees, yay! And in my city, 26. Let me check. 27. These 24. Close enough. All right. Boston. 22. Okay, and we can do this to fixed 2. All right, so we only have like the 2 digits. Okay. I don't like the close enough. Exactly. I don't like how many informations we have, but oh well. We have 1 hour to improve it, so add weather to page, and we want to add weather to page with the response data. We get the data. Okay, so I don't know, what can we use from it? Just the weather, like the temperature. That feels data main, the temperature. You should have encode URI component location URL, otherwise it breaks if locations contains chars, for example, or that. Fahrenheit upper limit is 212. Can guess by that. Yeah, I don't know my way to Fahrenheit that much. Okay. I don't know. We can do a const weather document that create element of weather. There's no weather element. Lol. Weather that class slash that add weather, and weather that inner HTML can be, let's see, on h2, which will say thanks for following Basamado, which will say the temperature, and yeah, also the location we need to know. Something like, let's see, small, there are I need a degree sign. That one. I mean this. Right. Small. Or no, paragraph. In location. Is this React? No, it's not React. Vanilla JavaScript. And then we want to add this to the main. Main.add append child weather. And we need a main now. So main document get element by ID main. And I need the form and search. Form and search. We did this a couple of times already. All right, and now on the form, add event listener, submit. All right, and e.prevent default, because we don't want to submit the form. We want to say search. What about location? Location will be search that value, so the input that value. Come on. And if location, then we want to get weather by location, like that. Let's see. Add this or no? Okay, ID form. All right, now if we do here, London, cannot append child of null. I forgot to add them IDs. London. Look at that. There are 20 in haste. That's funny. Look. Oh, whoa. We have location in JavaScript in the browser, which is the URL. Let's change all. Wait, this, to say city. All right, London. This should city is not defined. What? Oh, here. Here we can use search that value. London. There are 20 degrees in London. And Mumbai is that thing. There are 27 degrees in Mumbai. Yeah, we can just add. I guess we need to clean up the main first. Clean up. And then we add. Is it a JavaScript function? Yep. Bucharest. Oh, we also need to see if we didn't mess up the name. All right. This is our beautiful weather app. If you like it, well done. If not, not my fault. Kidding. Let's make it prettier. Let's make it gray. Some kind of, let's see, background, linear gradient to, well, let's use that 300 degrees. And we start with this and we go to this, but darker. Like that. Boom. And now we do display flex, align to center, justify content center, mean height 100 report height, because that's what we always do. Flex direction column. Please reply. Is JavaScript function what? I'm not sure what's your question. All right, now let's have the input, make it pretty somehow. How do we make it pretty? I have no idea how to make it pretty. This is like square thing. Border radius 25 pixels, border none, background color white. Okay. Oh, and we can add, can we? Please, days don't run tomorrow, just rest. Well, actually, tomorrow I have my workout. So yeah. I added local storage in a previous project. For the icons, you can get the ID from data weather, then use it like this. Oh, interesting. I'll check it out. Thank you, buddy. So, is the same API? Yeah, looks like it. All right, I'll store this. And look at it. Thank you. No, nobody help me. Just don't worry. All right, so by location. Look at that, and we can say, ooh, I need to remove that. Focus, outline, none. Let's make it min width 300 pixels. Outline. All right, and here we can say London, enter. And we don't need that ugly there are. And this can be a small tag. Seven key followers. Yes, we had a bot. I got 6,000 followers from a bot. Silly. Text align center. Weather, I mean small. Margin bottom 0. And weather small, let's make it a bit bigger. Font size 1 rem. Or you know what? I can do font size to rem here and never make everything bigger. Kind of. I'm tired, guys. Oh, and maybe we didn't even need to say where we are because, well, it says there, right? That. And I want to remove the autocomplete. Complete off. All right, so when we say Bucharest, we get the weather. Yay! Is it that hot in Bucharest now? Mihai, let me know. Thank you, Mihai, for being with me from the beginning. 10 hours ago. Let me see. Didn't I get something from Quincy? Okay. Okay, let's check that icon. Too hot, yeah. Okay, so data weather 0 icon. Then use it like this. Can I use this here in an image? Hey, what project is this? Weather app. Can I use this? Hey, look at that, we have a sun. Which out of 10? The last one. You can tell by my satisfaction that I'm dead. Let's make it transform scale to make it big. Yay! It's sunny. Goody goody. Hey Raphael. Let's look at the API. Can we? How did you find that, Eddie? So, data weather. Data weather 0. Oh, that icon. Oh, okay. Main clear. All right. Without faking data? Not sure what you mean. Conditions. Let's see. Hey, look at that. Nice. Clear sky. Cloudy. Oh boy. What can I do to improve this? It's so ugly. Let's cloudy. I can put the image inside here. That will do something. Look at rest. Alright, sunny. Or maybe even before that. Let's see, I don't know. Which country are you from, people? People who are watching? Let's see what's the weather there. You can add to X, so you get a bigger image instead of scaling. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's do that. So add to X. All right, let's see. Lisbon. Okay, so it doesn't work. ID add to x.png. Doesn't work. Why not? Pet is image that so VN. All right. Okay, let's see. Sao Paulo. Look. Look at that. It's a cloud. And Tallinn. What's that? It's a ball. You have a ball weather. Hamburg. Another ball. It's enough, King. You can rest now. Ooh. Denmark. Chennai. Let's see. Chennai. Oops, doesn't work. Shaanxi. It's cloudy. Athens. Sun. Nuremberg. It rains. Can we use this to do something? That will be nice. Image. I can do display flex, high to center, like that. Calcutta. Calcutta, sorry. Whoa, you have lines. Calcutta is full of lines. Yeah, I guess, I don't know. Yeah, let's make this input font size 1 rem. And I think the icon is on the right? You know what? I have a better idea. Look at this. This is like the coolest idea ever. Look at that. Bum bum. You have 2 icons. That's the best feature. Let's see now. Calcutta. It's double windy weather. Genius. Not. Let's write the type of weather. Where is the... I want to see the data. I want to see the data, mister. Calcutta. Weather. Description, haze. Whoa. Okay, it's haze. So I can do data weather 0 dot main. All right, so now it's haze. Or if we say Bucharest, it will say clear, hot. So in a perfect world, convert it over to temperature. Yeah, I did it. Wait, I need to check. All right, hello. Sorry for if you're watching. Sorry for like getting late to the meeting. I'll be done soon. Source code. Okay, yeah. I don't know about you guys, but it looks like a pretty cool app with a lot of features. So there's nothing I can really do to improve it, I don't know. So yeah, I'd say it's, hey, it doesn't work sometimes, but don't tell anyone. All right, why do we have floating points? That's a good question. Let's not have floating points. Let's just do mat.floor. You can add Google Maps. Exactly, but that's like not necessarily a good feature, you know? Is this part of your FreeCodeCamp journey? Nope, that journey was done a while ago. All right, good. What is more strong, massive sun or black hole? I don't know. All right, I think we're done. Are we? Thank you, Mihai, for being from the beginning. Not sure who else. Hey, Quincy, you got into your account finally. Sorry for missing 10 hours stream. Yeah, we did 10 projects in 10 hours. That's crazy. Don't tell anyone. All right. This project, so the last one is not the best, but it's okay. Actually, so I'm live since 10 hours and 30 minutes ago, but I started the challenge 9 hours ago because I needed an hour or so to prepare. So the title might be something like 10 projects in 9 hours. Or we can try another project. Let's who wants to see all the projects? Yeah, thank you, Quincy. Always praise me. All right, let's see. This project, and this project, and this project. And this project, and this project, and this project. And this is project, and another project, and another one, and another one. All right. Me. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the first project, countdown timer, which will tell us how many days, hours, and minutes and seconds we have till the New Year's Eve. And we have a nice image, so that's cool. Then the second project, let me look at, wait. So the second project was the quiz app. Which is basically a quiz app. You get questions. You can set the questions via a JavaScript object, or you can also use JSON if you want. And then you respond like this. And at the end, you get how many questions you answered correctly. So 2 out of 5. Maybe this could be improved a bit to make this lowercase, make only this bold. Okay, the next one was the receipt app. This was probably the hardest we did. Basically, this uses localhost to store your favorite meal. So if you search for what's your favorite meal, chat, let me know. And let's look up some meals. You can only drop hearts and fluorine 5. So if you do fluorine 5 heart, or the hearts like this, you can have hearts on the screen. All right, someone said lasagna. Lasagna. Let's search. And look at that, we have 2 things. And we have lasagna sandwich, and we can see the receipt, the ingredients. We can close, and we can store it to our favorite. And now it's here. Favorite. We refresh and you still can see your lasagna. And you can remove it from here. Although there is a bug that when you remove, it does 2 has 2 event listeners, one for this button and one for that container. So it's, well, not perfect, but well. All right. Then the Notes app, where again we have local storage. You can add a note and say Quincy is cool, and you can also use a code camp. You can use markdown, so something like 1, 2, 3, and you save it, and this is your note. So when you refresh, the note is still there, and you can add another note. Fluorine is very crazy, and you can add a, I don't know, where is the crazy emote, like that, and you can save it and stuff like that, you know, and you can remove it. All right, the next step was the to-do app. Where is it? To-do app. This is very similar to the to-do app you have for React when you want to, there is a website, I forgot the name now, and you can add wash the car and I don't know, sleep after 10 projects, something like that. And you can click on it to mark it as complete, and you can right click to delete it, and also it remains when you refresh, like that. Next up, the movie app, which is here. Let's make it pretty. Alright, good. Now it's prettier. Which basically shows the top 10, I guess, top 20 movies by the rating. And when you hover over, you see the description like that. And you can search for a movie like, I don't know, The Flash. And you get The Flash. Not sure. Some images doesn't work, but it's not my fault, you know. I didn't do anything wrong. Okay. Then we have the GitHub Profiles app, which basically just shows GitHub profile, your name, and let's see. Tell me your GitHub profile if you have your GitHub username. Do we have Sia? Yeah, we have, but not sure if it's you. Quincy Larson. Yeah, look at that. We have. And yeah, the bio, the name, the followers, the following, the repos, and the repos. You can click here and look at that. You go to the repos. All right, GitHub, Eddie W. Look at that, my buddy Eddie has null as a bio. Add the bio. All right, next up is the drawing app, which is here, and you can draw and you can clear. Where is it? We want purple, obviously, right? Who doesn't like purple? And we can make this smaller. And we can draw a heart like this. Look at that. Pretty heart. Yay. And you can clear. All right, then we have the password generator where, well, obviously, oh, I forgot to, this is one password, but you don't have to use it. And you can select if you want uppercase letters, lowercase numbers, symbols, and what's the length. Let's say 20, and it generates a password. When you hover over, you can copy it to clipboard. And if we paste here, you can see that the password is there. And then the beautiful weather app, where you can find, I don't know, Washington. And you can see that it has 2 suns and it's clear, and the weather. All right. I just coded my yeah, that was the tougher one, the drawing app. I had to figure out how to use the canvas without P5.js. All right. Thank you all for watching. It's been my longest stream, 10 hours and 30 minutes. Although the challenge was to finish 10 projects in 10 hours, and I started 9 hours and 12 minutes ago. So for those of you who are watching on YouTube, comment below if you watched so far. I don't know, I salute you. So just say I watched till the end. You're crazy, and I'll approve. And yeah, so basically I'll upload this on YouTube at the end. I mean tomorrow, someday, I don't know, I'll see. And yeah, thank you Mihai very much for sticking till the end and following the journey. Thank you Eddie for helping, also Mihai for helping, and the chat helped. When you're sharing the code on GitHub, let's do it now. I'm going to do GitHub here and create a repository and do 10 projects, 10 hours. Create repository. You got 1,000 pop points watching this stream. Awesome. And here we're going to do git init, and we want to git add everything, git commit, let's say finished the challenge like that. And we want to do this, and we want to git push like that. 10 projects, 9 hours. Well, let's say 10 hours. I might move some things around. All right, and now there you go. You have all the projects. Let me. It's modern performance. Let me quickly say that this is design. 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 No design for that. This is the design. Okay, so that's the design inspiration. Updated readme, git push, and stuff like that. A drawing gap, put freestyle. Exactly, freestyle. Yeah, so this is basically, these are my notes, what I wanted to do for the project. And yeah, crazy. Some people are crazy. Let's write on Twitter. I guess I'll write at the end. I did it. 10 projects in less than 10 hours. Crazy stream. All right, good. I guess I just wanted to fill in the final 45 minutes. So yeah. Where is the GitHub repository? GitHub repo. And yeah. In a few days, I'll upload this to YouTube. So if you're watching this, you saw when I said that I'm upload to YouTube. See, like some kind of inception thingy. All right. Thank you for watching. Look at that, it got dark, which is supposed to get after a lot of time. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Someone needs some rest and food, and yeah. Thanks. Have a great day. Take care. Oh, let's rate someone. Sorry. Yeah, for all those of you watching on YouTube, thank you. I hope you learned something. Subscribe on YouTube. You subscribe on Twitch. You follow. Subscribe if you want and you like this kind of content. You can follow me on Twitch, FlorinPop17, and yeah, join the Discord where we have a big community and fun people and all that. Bye.